Hello everyone, I'm Hitesh. I'm from InfraCloud Technologies. So today I will be talking about resolving load balancing in gRPC, okay? So first of all, I would like to start with a advantage of gRPC, that is long duration TCP connection, okay? So if you look at this image, it has two sections. The first one is a REST-based request response cycle, and second one is a gRPC-based. So if you look at the image carefully, the web page requires three resources actually. One JS file, a CSS file, and a PNG file, okay? So what a REST client is going to do is, it is going to create three connections from client to server and channel the request along the three connections and get the resources and do whatever it wants to do, right? But gRPC based is going to create only one connection, multiplex all the requests in the single connection, okay? And get the resources. So in that way, gRPC is faster than REST, but this is going to give rise to an issue, okay? And it is going to give rise to load balancing issue, to be particular. And how do we resolve it? We want the advantages of gRPC, but we don't want to run into this issue, right? So this is how a client code connects to a server code, right? It has a server address and options at the end. In between, there are two lines, which what it does is, it converts the gRPC client to behave like a REST client in terms of TCP connection. So after every request, it is going to terminate the connection, right? But still you are going to enjoy all the benefits of gRPC, right? But we would still like to, enjoy the benefit of long duration connection. Then how do we do that? So in your cluster, what you are going to do is, So in this image, it's not coming properly. So what you need to do is, you need to put up an intelligent load balancer. So what does a load balancer do? It gives you an IP, right? Whenever client tries to connect to server. So instead of giving you an IP address or the server address, it is going to give you a connection directly. So it is going to maintain the connection with the servers and store it within itself in memory. So whenever client tries to connect to the server, it is going to give you the hot connection directly. So using that connection, you can connect to the server. But this is going to be a hassle for you, to create your own load balancer. So instead, if you have Istio configured in your cluster, what you can do is, there are three parts in this image. The first part are the annotations. In your manifest of your gRPC clients or server, you can use this use annotations. And you can start your server using the second image. Instead of doing grpc.new server, you can use xds.new gRPC server. And the client, when it tries to connect to the server, you can use XDS protocol. I would have loved to extrapolate further, but due to the sake of time, what you can do is, you can visit this repo and see the solutions segregated into different branches. And if you have any doubts, you can connect me with the LinkedIn. Thank you.